Dear aspirants, welcome to my channel. This is an next remaining 10 MCQs for DCET for 2025 question paper. So he has given question, if A, B, C are angles of triangle, then incorrect relationship we need to find out. The option answer C will be an incorrect relation. How we are going to prove now? Okay, so here they given angles. Since angle ABC is equal to 180 degree, so we want AB, so 180 minus C. So everyone knows the complementary angles of A, sine of A plus B divided by 2 is equal to cos C by 2. Cos of A plus B divided by 2 is equal to sine of C by 2. Same way, cot of A plus B divided by 2 is equal to tan of C by 2. But tan of A plus B will not equal to sine of C by 2. That is the relation. Everyone knows geometry about that. So if sine comes, cos. So cos comes, sine will come. But tan come, cot should come. But cot comes, tan should come. But in this option, tan is given. We should get a cot. But here we have got sine. So this option is incorrect. Okay. Next question, the value of sine 40 degree plus sine 20 degree. The option C will be an answer, tan 10 degree. So now we are going to prove that. What is the answer? So sine 40 degree plus sine of 20 degree. Everybody we know the formula sine of A plus B, sine of A plus sine of B. Otherwise, you can take C or D. Sine C plus sine D, we have formula for this. 2 times of sine of C plus D by 2, cos of C minus D by 2. Just we are substituting. C will be in 40 degree, D will be in 20 degree. We are using this formula. You have to learn. If you get this type of problem, you should know the formula. 2 sine 40 plus 20 divided by 2, cos of 40 minus 20 divided by 2. So if you do the solution, if you do this, so you will get 2 of sine 30 cos 10. So everyone knows sine 30 degree is 1 by 2 according to geometry. Okay. So substitute here, 2 is cancelled. 2 is cancelled. So finally you will get cos 10 degree. In our option, C will be an answer, cos 10 degree. Next question, the derivative of y is equal to 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x. So the answer is option A, 2 divided by 1 minus x square. So how you got, we'll see an video. So if you solve this type of the problem, you should know some shortcuts. So they given y is equal to 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x. Here we have rewritten in terms of, they given 1 first, x after that. Here we are considering x plus 1. So reversal of we have taken. So minus x plus 1 we have taken. So we have used this formula. This is the shortcut. You just note down this shortcut. A of fx plus b divided by c of fx plus c. Okay. So if you differentiate, for example, so a of fx, a we have considered is 1, fx is an x, plus 1 minus x. This is the shortcut you have to use if you get this type of problem. If you differentiate, for example, if you differentiate dy by dx is equal to, this also you have to remember, ad minus bc f dash x means differentiation divided by denominator whole square. Okay. Then now we have to substitute dy by dx. I told a coefficient is 1. So f of x coefficient also 1. So here in this formula we are using here a also 1, b also 1 here. 1, 1. Minus 1, minus 1. Same way c and c. Understood this? This is not a C, this is a D. This is a D. So coefficient of means A is 1, B is 1, C is minus 1, okay, D is 1 according to this condition. Okay, so here instead of writing D, I should write here D, not a C. So the equation is A f of x plus b divided by C of f of x plus b. So this also you have to, this relation also you have to remember if you get this type of problems. Substitute A value, D value. So f dash of x value also you have to substitute, and denominator square means this square 1 minus x square. Denominator is this square. If you do so, you will get, if you simplify this, you will get 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x whole square. So 1 by 1 and 1 I have had 2 and 1 minus x whole square. This will be an answer. Okay. Next, if y is equal to log of root tan x, then dy by dx, you have to find out dy by dx, and x is equal to pi by 4. Pi by 4 is equal to 45 degree. Okay, option B will be an answer for this question. So we'll see how you got. So you have to write it as it is. Y is equal to log of root of x. Here you differentiate each terms. Okay, differentiation of log x. Differentiation of log x is 1 by x. So here we are considering is tan x. Okay, so tan x here we are considering. So differentiation of root x. Differentiation of root x is 1 by root x, 1 by 2 root x. Okay, differentiation of tan x is equal to secant square x. So we have differentiated. So same term log of x log of x, log x 1 by root of tan x. So okay, again we have differentiated root x. So 1 by 2 root x, and again this tan x we have differentiated. So secant square x, understood? So same way secant square will come, tan x into 2 tan x, root cancel. So you will get secant square x divided by 2 tan x. So x is equal to pi by 4. If you substitute pi by 4 nothing but 45 degree, nothing but how you got pi 180 divided by 180 divided by 4. If you do, you will get a 45. So that you substitute, that you have to substitute x terms, where the x term is secant square x divided by 2 into tan 45 degree. So secant square 45 degree is equal to root 2 whole square. So 2 into tan is tan 45 is 1. So root 2 cancelled. 2 you will get, again denominator 2 by 2 option. Answer will be an 1x. Answer will be an 1. Same way, next question, integration of cot square dx. Integration of cot square x into dx. Answer is option A, minus cot x minus x plus c. Okay, we'll move on that. Integration of cot square x into dx, you can write it in terms of cosecant square x minus 1. You can write this cosecant square minus 1. This value you substitute here, cosecant square minus 1 into dx. So you have to, each term you have to integrate. So that's why we have written cosecant square x into dx. Integration of x, one term is there is equal to 1 into x. So integration of cosecant square into dx is equal to minus cot x, minus as it is. Integration of 1 is x, and plus c, you have to write it is a constant term. So answer will be an minus cot x minus x plus c. So you should know the formulas, how you got this. Cot will come, cosecant will come, tan will come, secant will come. Interrelation it is. Next question, if y is equal to 2 plus 3 log x to the power of 10, so dy by dx, x is equal to 1. We have to find out differentiate. Answer is given 15 into 2 to the power of 10. So if you solve, y is equal to 2 plus 3 log x to the power of 10. So if you differentiate this, so power as it is, the term dy by dx, 10 as it is, you write down this term is equal to 10 minus 1, 9. Again you have to differentiate. Differentiation of constant is equal to 0. Okay, plus 3 into log x is equal to 1 by x. Everyone knows log x is equal to 1 by x. Okay, next 10 into 2 plus 3, 9 to the power of 4. It is in terms of this term become 0. So 3 by x. Okay, so then we have multiply 3 to 10, we'll get 30x divided by 30 into x, 30 divided by x into 2 plus 3 log to the power of 9. So you just substitute x value is 1, it is given in the question. So log 1 is equal to 0. So 30 x value are substituted, 2 plus 3 log 1 whole to the power of 9. So according to formula, log 1 is equal to 0. So that this term become 0 here. The term becomes 0, this old term become 0. Then you will get 30 into 2 to the power of 9. So if you can write 30 in terms of 15 into 2, 2 to the power of 9. So 15 into 2 to the power of 10, 9 plus 1. You have to add 9 plus 1, multiplies into is there. So you have to add 15 into 2 to the power of 10. So you will get an answer 15 into 2 to the power of 10. Next question. If y is equal to root of sin x plus y, we have to do the differentiation. dy by dx we need to find out. The answer is cos x divided by 2 minus 2y minus 1 answer. So how you did, will solve that problem. So as it is, you write down squaring on both the side. So you will get y square. So if you do squaring on both the side, so you will get a sin x plus y, square will get cancelled. So you have to differentiate both the side with respect to x. Y square is equal to 2y into dy by dx. So sin become cos positive. So differentiation of y is equal to dy by dx. Same way, so to this y term we have shifted here. So cos x. So dy by dx is equal to cos x divided by 2y minus 1 will be an answer. Next question, we have to do integration. Integration with respect to 0 for pi by 4. Pi by 4 is in 45 degree. So secant square divided by 1 plus tan x into dx we need to find out. Answer is log 2x. So we have to use a trick in such a way that, so here we are using this logic. So f dash x divided by fx into dx is equal to log of f of x. This tricks we are using. So here 1 plus tan x, if you differentiate this, so 0 tan x is equal to secant square x. So that's why double x we are differentiated. So here fx is equal to 1 plus tan x, f dash is equal to secant square, is a differentiation. So tan 45 pi by 4 is equal to 45 degree. Okay. So log of 1 plus tan 0 to 45 degree. So differentiation we have done. So log x, this value we have substituted. F of x fx is equal to 1 plus tan x. So log of f of x we have used this 1 plus tan x here. So tan pi by 4 is equal to 45 degree. Substitute here. So we are applying upper limit and lower limit. So this is an upper limit is 45 degree. Lower limit will be an 0. So 0 we have used tan 0 here. Okay. So then 1 plus tan 45 is 1. Tan 45 log of 45 tan 45 is 1 minus log of 1 plus 0. Tan 0 is 0. So log 1 always 0. Okay. This is log 2 minus log 1. So log 1 is 0. If you substitute 0, you will get a log 2 will be an answer. Next, we need to find out integration of root of 1 plus cos 2x into dx. Option D will be an answer. You should get 2 root 2 sin x plus c. So as it is, you write down what a question is given. So we have formula for that. 1 plus cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x. Substitute here in the root. Okay, in the root. So this square and this square will be cancelled. You will get integration of root 2 cos into dx. So take out 2 outside, constant it is, root 2 outside. Integration of cos x is equal to 2 into sin x plus c. So constant sum should be there. That will be an integration thing. So option D will be an answer for this. Next question. So integration, the value of integration 0 to 45 sin x and cos x into dx. So we have to use a trick. These tricks you have to use it. So you cannot use directly in the formulas. So for pi by 4 is an 45 degree always. So here f of x is equal to sin x, f dash of x equal to cos x. The formula is integration of f of x, f dash of x into dx is equal to f of x whole square divided by 2. If you use these tricks directly, you can apply without integration. So you have to apply f of x here sin x square divided by 2. You have to apply upper limit and lower limit. Once you apply upper limit is 45 degree, mean pi by 4. I have written directly is an 45 degree whole square divided by 2 minus sin of 0 degree whole square. So this term becomes 0. Okay, once the term becomes 0, so sin 45 you know sin 45 value is equal to 1 by root 2. Substitute here 1 by root 2 whole square divided by 2. This term becomes 0. Okay. So root 2 will be cancelled. That one step I have not directly I have written into 2. You will get like this. So this whole term I have written 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. This becomes 0. So 1 by 4 will be an answer for this question. See more information. Please subscribe my channel and share and support. I am going to solve this. Already I have finished the maths. So next I am going to solve statistics and analytics question and answers for you. Please share, subscribe my channel. Thank you and support me.